Did you hear that? I finally solved the problem of this engine. What's up guys, Kamil here. In today's episode I can finally start doing like big visible progress because all the boring small detail stuff is done. This engine is cranking. This never happened in this chassis, so it's the first time that engine actually rotated by itself in this chassis, which means I can start putting it back together. It will run. This car will be working. Finally. The problem was ECU. The ECU that the car originally had was programmed for automatic, and without that computer it wasn't working. The replacement ECU that I got for the car wasn't working at all. I don't know if it was key fob or EWS or ECU, doesn't really matter. What I did is, I feel so guilty about it. I took the ECU, EWS and the fob out of my blue 46 and I'm super sad about it, but I'm kind of happier that this car cranked. I just hit my head on the barn door so bad that I caught my forehead. Also, the dogs nearby started barking, so I guess it really had to be loud. What I'm gonna do now is swap the suspension between the blue 46 and the Nemesis behind me, because blue 46 will not use this spring rate anymore anyway, so I don't really need it. One done, 3 to go. Now the front is done. I gotta attack the rear because the sun is very low right now and I have very little of daylight left. I want to do it today. So let's go. I guess I'm gonna have to live with only front being done for a while because I have no idea how to do the rear. But I'm gonna figure something out, don't worry. In the meantime, I'll do other stuff that I can do right now. After I hit my head a lot yesterday, I decided to take today a bit slower, just do the suspension swap, finish it, and chill for the rest of the day. I'm not going to show you the other side, it's identical. Let's skip it and get into barn. Hey. Third corner of the car is officially lowered. That leaves us with one more left. Yeah. Just so you know, the suspension set that I'm putting into this car is relatively new. I replaced it in my car, which you can see in the episode right here. And it didn't drive that much, so it's barely used. As you have already seen, I did a couple of things to the car already today, and my goal is the engine bay. I want to get as much done as possible to wrap up this episode and be this much closer to finishing this project. I changed the suspension, I did the brakes, I changed the power steering, I connected power steering and cooling systems. If I could fill it up, I could basically run it. Oh no, wait. Fuel system is not done yet. But it will be done, not in this episode, and everything else will also be done in other episodes. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, hydrated, have fun, and bye.